as Nancy Pelosi and Joe Biden discussing what to do and deciding to frame the protesters.
These people have crossed the line by threatening our democracy. I've given a shoot-to-kill order for any breach of the Speaker's lobby. Every one of these maggots must be prosecuted. Yes, I agree. No more protests in our capital.
Listen, sweetheart, let the men handle it.
Are you even listening to me?
Why don't you let me finish?
Congressional staffers were almost killed. I thought I was going to die.
This is an adult discussion.
The public doesn't fear us anymore, and you better do something.
What am I supposed to do?
Do your fucking job, Nancy.
Alexandria, let's both be patient and
No,
respectful of each other's ideas.
Let's take a step back and look at the big picture.
Joe, I don't even have anything to say to you. If we don't make sure those who perpetrated this mayhem are brought to justice, we are all dead.
This was a mostly peaceful protest.
I don't care why they were there. Violence, non-violence, doesn't matter. We can't allow those who showed up to get away with it.